support me, and I think he could answer that. He's always there. Like, he's gonna check up on me whenever I do a big scene. Kasi nakikita niya yan sa sequence guide, kung gagawin ko pa, kunyari may breakdown scene ba akong gagawin, iiyak ba, may big scene bang gagawin si Caroline. Makikita ko na lang message siya sa akin, magta-text, oh, kamusta, how's your scene, or he's gonna call. Kunyari magkaiba kami ng unit. So, thank you for checking up on me.